Think about this. Neurons that fire together wire together. Neuropsychologist Donald Hebb first used this phrase back in 1949 to describe how pathways in the brain are formed and reinforced through repetition. Let's put it this way. The more we practice rational and positive thoughts, the more rational and positive thoughts will come to us. And the more we practice irrational and negative thoughts, well, the better we can get at that too. It's not just a mind habit, but, as Hebb suggested, it's a neural pathway. Today, whether we like it or not, we're growing our brains toward those more positive or those more negative states. Neuroplasticity refers to this extraordinary quality of our brains, that when we practice something new, we create new connections between our neurons. We rewire our brains to adapt to our experience of the world. As Dr. Dan Siegel states, quote, "When neurons fire together, the genes in their nuclei, their master control centers, become activated and express themselves. Gene expression means that certain proteins are produced. These proteins then enable the synaptic linkages to be constructed anew or to be strengthened. Experience also stimulates the production of myelin, the fatty sheath around axons, resulting in as much as a 100-fold increase in the speed of nerve conduction. And as we now know, experience can also stimulate neural stem cells to differentiate into wholly new neurons in the brain. This neurogenesis, along with synapse formation and myelin growth, can take place in response to experience throughout our lives. We're now discovering how the careful focus of attention amplifies neuroplasticity by stimulating the release of neurochemicals that enhance the structural growth of synaptic linkages." End quote. Dr. Siegel spoke of focusing of attention, which can refer to meditation and various mindfulness practices. For example, neuropsychologist Dr. Rick Hansen invites us to dwell on beauty instead of our problems. The other day I was walking from the college parking lot to class and ruminating on a glitch with Canvas in a repetitive and very non-productive way. We've all done that. But I caught myself and I paused. I stood still and deepened my breathing. I gazed upward at a vast blue sky and at a stack of cumulus clouds overhead and the sound and feel of a gentle breeze. I lingered there to feel it all fully and deeply. To do that is to increase both the duration and intensity of experience and change my brain for the better. The research in neuroplasticity ought to inspire us all to take charge of our brains with healthy practices, much like some of us take our bodies to the gym. This lesson concludes with a positive psychology exercise assignment that will give you a chance to do just that.